I ask you to take a few minutes from your busy business day to think about a very important topic, your risk and liability as a business leader. This is a distasteful and unpopular subject, but it can become a business killer that you never see coming. I'm Tom Taramina. I'm a certified manager of quality and organizational excellence, and I'm an expert witness in products liability. I am not a risk assessor or risk manager. My approach to business risk and liability stems from my 14 years at NASA's Mission Control Center, including Project Apollo and the Apollo 13 near disaster. My knowledge base has been enriched by my work with more than 700 companies documented in 12 books. What is unique about my approach is that it encourages risk avoidance instead of risk management. I define risk as everything from a manufacturing defect to a customer service issue to becoming the defendant in a lawsuit. Regardless of the risk mitigation you do to maintain your insurance coverage or to satisfy auditors, I encourage you to purge those concepts and adopt a new business strategy of foreseeable risk. Foreseeable risk is a proactive approach to risk avoidance. I urge you to consider a radical new tactic to risk. My 50 years of experience has proven that problems, small and large, are a series of seemingly unrelated events that converge in a moment in time to cause a foreseeable problem. I define foreseeable risk as an undetected defect or nonconformity in your products or services. It can run the gamut from misrepresentation in an advertisement to supplier defects to manufacturing errors to service delivery issues to catastrophic outcomes for a user of your products or services. It can be misuse of your product or service by a customer that you should have reasonably foreseen. Organizations of any size are complex organisms that have multiple opportunities to create nonconformities that go undetected. The effect of not proactively detecting these problems can range from productivity issues to becoming the defendant in a lawsuit. They can be as seemingly benign as a customer complaint all the way to full-blown catastrophic events. The first step in foreseeable risk is adopting a new paradigm of risk avoidance. There are also several steps you can take to drive risk and defects from your products and services. Finally, there's a process we call stupid proofing that involves brainstorming how your customers can use and misuse your products. Having been witness to the costly effects of lawsuits, adopting a proactive approach to risk and liability can save your company and avoid personal devastation. For more information and a complimentary high-level assessment, contact us today.